Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy players on the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, you will see various different options and you can immediately start enjoying your matches from the play menu. Now within this page, you will see the market option at the bottom section. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will now take you into the players market, where you will see various different players that are available to purchase. If you find a player that you are interested in, you can simply tap on their profile, and if you have enough currency within your account, you will be able to tap on the purchase button in order to purchase this player. Once this player has been purchased, you will be able to add them to your squad and start enjoying matches with this player right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to purchase players within the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.